In the heart of a picturesque village, where cobblestone streets wound between cottages adorned with climbing roses, lived a spirited lad named Charlie. With eyes filled with wonder and a heart brimming with curiosity, Charlie roamed the countryside, finding joy in the simplest of things: the rustling leaves, the babbling brooks, and the songs of the birds. One bright morning, as Charlie meandered along a familiar path, his keen eyes caught sight of an ancient wall, partially concealed by a tapestry of ivy. Intrigued by this hidden treasure, Charlie's adventurous spirit stirred. With nimble fingers, he parted the ivy curtain, revealing a forgotten garden beyond. As he stepped through the ivy-clad entrance, Charlie felt as though he had stumbled upon a secret world. The garden, once grand and majestic, now lay dormant, hidden from the world by years of neglect. But Charlie saw beyond the tangled vines and overgrown bushes. He saw the potential for beauty waiting to be unleashed. With a determined gleam in his eye, Charlie set to work. Armed with his trusty trowel and a watering can, he delved into the task of restoring the garden to its former glory. With each weed he pulled and each flower he planted, Charlie breathed new life into the forgotten space. Word of Charlie's endeavor spread like wildfire throughout the village, capturing the hearts of young and old alike. Among those captivated by Charlie's passion was Mrs. Green, the village's wise and kind-hearted elder. She watched from her cottage window as Charlie toiled away in the garden, a smile playing on her lips. One day, as Charlie tended to his beloved garden, Mrs. Green approached him, her eyes twinkling with admiration. "You have done a remarkable job, young Charlie," she said, her voice filled with warmth. "But remember, every garden has its challenges." Charlie nodded, his brow furrowing in thought. Little did he know that Mrs. Green's words would soon ring true. As the days passed and the garden bloomed with newfound vigor, Charlie encountered his first challenge: a mischievous troop of rabbits, drawn to the garden by its lush greenery and fragrant blooms. Determined to protect his sanctuary, Charlie sought advice from Mrs. Green. With her guidance, Charlie devised a plan to deter the rabbits, planting herbs and vegetables known to repel the furry intruders. He also enlisted the help of his friends from the village, who rallied together to build a fence around the garden, safeguarding it from further harm. With the rabbits thwarted and the garden secure, Charlie's sanctuary flourished once more, a testament to the power of determination and community. And as he stood amidst the blooming flowers and bustling bees, Charlie knew that he had discovered more than just a garden. He had found a place of belonging, where dreams took root and miracles bloomed.